We are pleased to show you the 2017 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, xenon headlights, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, front wheel drive, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.